A fence is more than just a boundary around your home. It enhances security, adds privacy, improves curb appeal, and increases the overall value of your property. Choosing the right fence design can transform the look of your home while serving practical purpose. One of the biggest advantages of a home fence is security. A well-designed fence helps protect your property by limiting unauthorized access and creating a safer environment for your family and pets. Another important benefit is privacy. Fences provide a peaceful outdoor space by reducing visibility from neighbors and passerby. They also help reduce noise and define property boundary clearly. Homeowners can choose from a variety of fence types depending on their needs and preferences. Wood fence offers a classical and natural appearance. They are ideal for privacy and can be painted or stained in different colors. However, they require regular maintenance to prevent weather damage. Vinyl fences are durable, low maintenance, and resistant to moisture and insects. They are available in many styles and colors, making them a popular choice for modern homes. Metal fences, such as aluminum or wrought iron, provide excellent strength and elegance. They are long-lasting and require minimal maintenance, although they may offer less privacy than solid fence designs. Chain link fences are affordable, durable, and commonly used for security and boundary marking. They are practical but provide limited privacy unless combined with privacy salts or climbing plants. Composite fence combine recycled wood fibers and plastic to create a strong, attractive, and environmentally friendly fencing option. They resist fading, rotting, and insect damage while requiring little maintenance. When selecting a fence, consider several important factors. First, identify the main purpose of the fence. Are you looking for privacy, security, decoration, or pet containment? Next, think about the material. Each material has different maintenance requirements: durability, appearance, and cost. Also consider your budget. A higher initial investment in quality materials may reduce maintenance and replacement cost over time. The style of your home is another key factor. Choose a fence design that complements your home's architecture and landscaping. Finally, check local regulations and property boundaries before installation. Some neighborhoods or local authorities have rules regarding fence height, material, and placement. In conclusion, the right fence combines beauty, functionality, and durability. By understanding the advantages, exploring different fence types, and carefully considering your selection criteria, you can choose a fence that enhances your home's safety, comfort, and overall appearance for years to come.